Hello dear students. I hope you will be fine, healthy and happy. Today we are going to talk about Interaction 8 and page number 98, Unit 3 and Level 8. Unit 8 and Level 3. Talk with a partner about what you eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner. यानी आप ब्रेकफास्ट सुबह के नाश्ते में क्या खाते हैं, लंच दोपहर के खाने में और डिनर में क्या खाते हैं. You should talk about them. So what does A say? Good. What do you usually have for breakfast, or what do you usually take for breakfast is also right. So the person say, I usually have toast and coffee, and I sometimes have a bowl of cereal. What about you? So the second one say, oh, I usually have yogurt and fruit. So इसका मतलब ये है डियर स्टूडेंट्स दैट व्हाट डू यू यूजुअली हैव फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. आप सुबह के नाश्ते में अमूमन क्या खाते हैं. तो यूजुअली अगर हम इसका जवाब दे दें, सो आई यूजुअली हैव अ कप ऑफ टी और 2 कप्स ऑफ टी विद अ लोफ ऑफ ब्रेड. एक रोटी के साथ हम यहाँ पाकिस्तान में खाते हैं. या वी यूजुअली हैव अ कप ऑफ टी विद अ फ्राइड एग एंड अ फ्राइड ब्रेड. फ्राइड एग होता है जो घी में पका हुआ हो, और फ्राइड ब्रेड होता है रोटी जो घी में पका हुआ हो या तेल में पका हुआ हो. Similarly, we can also say I usually have a cup of tea with a cake, with a pastry, right? So we can talk about that. And I sometime mean जब कोई अगर मेहमान आए हो या मैं कोई मेहमान हो या कोई पार्टी हो, कोई खसूसी प्रोग्राम हो, so then and I sometime have a cup of tea with fried chicken or fried meat or fried mutton or fried fish. With fish is also you can talk about these things also, right? So एंड अगर हम ये क्वेश्चन कर ले कि व्हाट डू यू यूजुअली हैव फॉर लंच, लंच दोपहर के खाने में अमूमन आप क्या खाते हैं. सो वी विल आंसर दिस वन. आई यूजुअली हैव अ लोफ ऑफ व्हीट ब्रेड. गंदम की रोटी होता है विद वेजिटेबल, सब्जी के साथ या तो होता है, और पल्सेस या दालें होती है, और सास होती है, सालन होती है. तो फिर वी कैन से दैट टमाटो सॉस, पोटैटो सॉस, चिकन सॉस, मटन सॉस, और beef sauce or any kind of sauce, or you can say spaghetti sauce, right? And salad और सलाद भी इसमें होते हैं. and I sometime have, और बाज़ औक़ात जब कोई ख़ासूसी प्रोग्राम हो, so I have a plate of rice with the chicken or a plate of rice with mutton mean छोटे गोश्त के साथ, with mutton or with fried mutton also you can say. Or I usually have a plate of rice and a loaf of bread with meat, sauce, chicken, fish, etc. also. Similarly, what do you usually have for dinner? शाम के वक्त आप अमूमन क्या खाते हैं. So if you think, we usually have a plate of rice with yogurt or with clarified ghee. Clarified ghee mean जो clarified होते हैं, जो देसी घी होते हैं. Or we usually have a plate of rice with a sauce with vegetable. Sometime we usually have a loaf of bread with vegetable, pulses, etc. as well. And sometime जब कोई खसूसी प्रोग्राम हो, so I sometime have a loaf of bread with chicken, meat, fish, or you can say any other thing which are there along with the dessert as well, with salad as well. So you can talk about all these things, whatever you take, so you should use that. So you should ask me the first question. What do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have 2 cup of tea with a dried loaf of bread, खुश्क रोटी के साथ, because I have a little bit blood pressure and I don't eat fried loaf of bread. And I sometimes have a cup of tea with fried meat or chicken or fish and cakes, etc. Now the second question you should ask me. What do you usually have for lunch? Good. I usually have a loaf of wheat bread with vegetable or pulses or sauce, along with the salad and yogurt. And I sometimes have a loaf of bread, wheat bread with chicken, fish, beef, etc. And now the third question.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I usually have a plate of rice with yogurt or with sauce. The sauce is also different type of sauce. Sometimes meat sauce, sometimes chicken sauce, sometimes potato sauce, sometimes tomato sauce, etc. We can talk about all of them. And sometimes if I have a biryani with chicken, beef, mutton, and with steak, and all these things are also included in the dinner, along with the dessert, in which fruit are there, and custard are there, and so many other things are also there, but they are sometime, and usually I take this. I hope, dear student, you will have learned this one. When you want to ask a person about the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you will ask in this way: what do you usually have for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner? I hope you will have learned. Try to read it again and again, and try to watch it again and again, and try to share with your near and dear one as well. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.